Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable your camera on your iPhone. So if you want to disable your camera over on your iPhone, then here's how you can do it, and it's actually quite easy. So to completely remove the camera app, you can of course not click on delete, because if you remove the app it will just simply not work. You can only move it to your app library, but you will still be able to see it. However, here's how you can actually remove or disable your camera app. So literally all you need to do is open the settings app just like this, and you need to scroll a little bit down until you find screen time right here. Then you need to scroll down and make sure you click on content and privacy restrictions, and you want to make sure that content and privacy restrictions is actually enabled. Then what you can do is you can see that all these options will be turning white. They will not be grayed out anymore. You can actually click on them. So we're going to click on allowed apps, and here all you need to do is make sure to disable camera. And if I now go to my home screen, we can actually see that the camera app is already gone. And when I now type in camera right here, or camera, we can see that it also doesn't pop up. So that's how you can disable your camera app over on your iPhone, or how you can disable your normal camera. So basically that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.